What's up, everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here in the place to be. Lakeith buys houses and land. So, I'm at the fire damage property out here in Allen, Texas, and I'm about to do a special walkthrough for you. So listen, I got a very special guest. I got my baby here, my daughter, she's back there in the back. I'm gonna actually let her give the presentation, because you know what? I always do this, and I do an amazing job, but I think she can do an amazing-er job. Yeah, that's a real word, amazing-er, and that's her. So let's get it. But before we So, Layla Fowler, take us in. This is your first time seeing this house since in about 2 weeks. So take us in and tell us what you see new.
Okay.
Tell us everything you see, what's going on.
Okay, so the walls are painted.
The walls are painted. This is a balanced gray. It's gonna look real good with the white baseboards that we put in. What else do you see?
I want to say the floor.
The flooring is done. I want to point that out here. Some empty some boxes right here for the floor. Let's get a look at the floor. Let's walk around here and let's look at the flooring that's going on throughout the house. So throughout the house, we got laminate wood. This is laminate wood throughout the floor. This is the kitchen. What do you see different about the kitchen, Layla?
So there was like an entrance right here from the front door all the way into the kitchen.
Correct. Let's talk about that. So what I did is I put sheetrock over this to reconstruct the kitchen. If you look in other videos, you'll see that the kitchen was different, but now we've enclosed it, which I'm gonna spin around, which gives a very open feeling to the whole living room instead of being so closed off, because there was some cabinets right here. So what else you see?
There was also like I want to say an island or something right here.
Correct, was an island, was a stove right there. So we just reconfigured the whole kitchen to make it what we want it to be. What about this door? What do you see about the door, girl?
The door is different. The other one didn't work, and this one's the white, and this looks really nice.
Right, it is. We got French doors. We had a sliding door in the old video, but now we got French doors. Check out here in the laundry room. We got the patches done. We got all that stuff. We got the water heater covered up. We've been painting, texturing. I did a video on texturing and stuff like that. So take us into take us to the back. Take us to the whole house. Tell us what you see.
This I don't recall this was here last time or not, but this looks really nice. I don't know if it's like a extra closet, like hallway type vibe, but it looks really nice.
Okay, hallway vibes. This is a closet. This is a garage that we're converting into a bedroom. You saw the outside. You see, that's a closet right here. This is a closet. It's not complete. I'll show the people the closet so they can see what it looks like. I can get my whole body in here. Be closets, be shelves, be all kind of stuff.
The window looks nice.
The window is new. The window is new. Let's go to the back of the house. Let's walk through the rest of the house.
Okay.
So on the last video, we got a snap shot of you. You were in the restroom right over here to the right. We'll go to it. This is the bedroom number 2. So we got the light fixtures in. We got the sheetrock, taping bed, textured, painted. Flooring is complete within the bedroom. Closet. Everything. Lakeith buys houses and land. I had to put that in there. We doing what we got to do when we got to do it. Let's go into bedroom number 3. The flooring is done in here as well.
The outlets.
Oh yeah, all of that. Now that was actually there before. It's just all covered up now. This is what your house looks like when it's pretty much done. You know what I mean? It's like now we just gotta add the fan and the finish out. This is like a closet area. Yeah. So this was the restroom that you were in originally when we caught you on the camera with the notepad. Look what we got here. I got my daughter filming right here live. She's got a workbook. Now it's a big difference from when you originally saw it to how it looks now. It's painted.
Sink is gone.
Sink is gone. Vanity's gone. Let's go in here. Let swing in here real quick and show the people what's going on. So we painted in here. We're gonna change out this tub. We're gonna change out the flooring in this restroom, the lighting, everything. Let's go inside the master. Flooring is done in here as well. I'd like to point that out.
It's all cleaned out. This was the room that had the most trash in it.
You did. These last two rooms did where the junk is. It's where the side of the house where the fire actually started. This is the closet.
Very big.
Have you seen the restroom over here? Let's go right there. There's the restroom. Inside the master.
I didn't even see this at the first time because it was so cluttered in here.
Oh yeah, it was very cluttered in here. But we got the sink out. The toilet will be trash. We'll get a new one. We painted in here. We got plastic up. It's working, man. We're working. So, come out here, Layla, and tell us what you think about the house as it stands so far. Come on, walk with me.
Well, I want to say it looks more like a house now because from the first time I saw it, it was very dingy and just looked like there was no saving it. But my father on the other side saved it and it's looking better and better every time I see it.
What? I like that response. Saving it. Lakeith saves houses and land. Don't save her. She don't want to be saved. But we got thermostats. Oh yeah, it's coming together. AC, everything, man. It's going down, man. Listen, let me get a shot of the outside real quick. I want y'all to see this because on the next episode, I'm gonna do some landscaping. I'm gonna talk about landscaping. So I want you to see how it looks right now. Pretty bad, right? Pretty jacked up. Got bushes everywhere. You got things not done. Oh, you see this right here? The stone guys just left, so I'm actually restoning this. So I want y'all to check all this out on my YouTube channel. So be sure to subscribe. And if you haven't, be sure to do so. I don't know what it is you're waiting for. And be sure to follow me on all social media platforms because Lakeith buys houses and land. And I provide very good information for you to do it as well. I'm playing with the house's money and the house always wins. So if you get a deal, let's make it real, man. As you see, I know what I'm doing. I know how to do it. I got the funds to do it. I got the crew to do it. And I'm doing it in a very fast time. So if you have a deal and want to go to the next level to be an investor, just give me a call, man. Area code 214-956-4289. Again, the number is area code 214-956-4289. I buy. Lakeith buys houses and land. Thank you.